Well, let me see. One of the Greek words for now is but. Unbelief says, I can't see how God is going to get me out of this mess. But faith says, but God. Now faith says, but God. Now faith doesn't hope God's going to get them out of this mess. Now faith decrees, my God is going to get me out of this mess. We have to understand, Jesus spoke to the disciples when they were going through different things, and he said, "O ye of little faith." Listen, it wasn't that they didn't have any faith. Or he would have said, "O ye of no faith." He said, "O ye of little faith." They had faith, but it was mixed with fear. They had faith, but it was mixed with doubt. They had faith, but it was mixed with unbelief. It wasn't pure faith. He said to the centurion, "You have great faith. Greater faith than this I've never seen in all of Israel." So we see this contrast between little faith and great faith.